Lock-in loop error on Brickowner Fix. If you've been trying to log into your Brickowner account and keep getting stuck in a frustrating login loop, you're not the only one. Many users face this issue and assume their password or account is the problem, but most people get this wrong. The surprising truth is, it's usually caused by old session data, cached cookies, or a temporary synced error between your browser and Brickowner servers. Here's how to fix it quickly. Start by closing your browser or the Brickowner app completely. Then clear your cache and cookies. On desktop, open your browser settings, find privacy or history and clear browsing data. Make sure you include cookies and cached images. On mobile, go to your device settings, find the Brickowner app and tap clear cache or clear storage. This resets your session and removes any conflicting lock-in data. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of the app or browser. Outdated versions can have authentication bugs that led to endless loops. Visit your app store or refresh your browser to ensure everything is up to date. If the issue continues, try switching your connection. Move from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Sometimes, firewalls or network filters block Brickowner's secure login requests. Also, double-check that cookies and JavaScript are enabled in your browser. Brickowner relies on both to maintain a stable login session. Without them, it can't keep you signed in. Once you've cleared your data, updated the app, and reconnected, try logging in again manually, typing your credentials instead of using autofill. In most cases, this resolves the lock-in loop instantly. And if you're still stuck, it may be a temporary server issue on Brickowner's end. Waiting a few minutes before trying again often does the trick. So the next time you're caught in that endless Brickowner login loop, remember it's not your password. It's just your browser holding onto old data. Clear it out, refresh, and you'll be back to managing your property investments in no time.